All right, let's learn how to use a tripod. This is what our classroom tripods look like. Here we go. The top of the tripod includes the head of the tripod and the quick release plate. Each tripod has 3 legs, hence tripod. Each leg has 2 extensions. They get really tall, taller than me. Here's a tripod fully extended. Let's look at it from the top view. Here's the camera connected to the tripod. You can use each handle to change the orientation of the camera. Just twist the handle lefty-loosey and righty-tighty to point the camera around. Let's attach the camera to the tripod. Bam. Ooh, hello. Okay, here's how you're going to release the quick release plate. I'll show you this probably 5 times. This is the quick release plate. I found circle quick release plates. There's no wrong way to put a circle into the tripod. You're going to attach the quick release plate to the bottom of the camera. You don't need to tighten it tighter than you've ever done before. Just tight enough that it's secure. Okay, so here's what you're not gonna do. This is extremely unsafe. The camera is very likely going to drop. No, no, no. Here's what you'll do instead. You're going to use the thread and the quick release plate. Not like that. No, no, no. Release the quick release plate. Push the button. Pull the plate out of the tripod. Here's another view. Pull the lever. Push the button. Pull the plate out. Then you're going to take the quick release plate and you're going to screw it into the bottom of the camera. Once you have that screwed in nice and tight, then you can plop the camera back down into the tripod. You should feel it click when it plops in there, and then you'll close the lever. I'll show you from a different angle in just a second. Okay, here we are at a different angle. We're going to open the lever, push the button, and you can pull the camera out of the tripod. Here we go. Put the camera into the tripod, close the lever. One more time. Open the lever. Push the button. Take the camera out. Put the camera in. Close the lever. All right, let me show you about some of these knobs. This knob is going to let you rotate the camera left and right, kind of panning it. Pretty cool. This knob right here is going to extend the neck of the tripod. It's really important that you tighten it and that you guide the camera back down when you loosen it, so we don't have the camera dropping a couple feet from the air. Last thing we're going to do is close up the tripod and put it away. Good luck. I believe in you.